So let's have an overview of technologies and knowledge that you need for this course. So let's begin with the knowledge and skills. The two basic skills that you are going to have to accomplish this course are HTML and CSS, since the course is called HTML emails. We're going to be coding HTML pages, apply some CSS rules, and from the technical point of view it's pure HTML and CSS. Then we are going to turn those web pages into HTML emails. For that, I don't expect you to have any super expert knowledge. In fact, beginner's knowledge would be just enough for this course. When it comes to HTML, I would like you to know how to create a simple HTML pages with simple structure, how to work with links, with tags, with elements, with tables, with media queries, and nothing more than that. When it comes to CSS, it's even easier because all you need to do is to apply some CSS rules, and even less than if you would work with a normal HTML page. So CSS and HTML are the two basic technologies that I would like you to have. As well as I would like you to have some knowledge on how to work with web colors and how to work with graphics. But again, there is nothing difficult here. As for the HTML colors, I just want you to know how to work with colors, how to apply colors to HTML elements and so on. And as for the graphics, I would like you to know how to extract one picture from another, how to resize the picture, and nothing really difficult. For that you can use image editing applications such as Photoshop or free alternatives such as GIMP and so on. Now, since we're going to work with HTML, CSS, we're going to code with hands, and for that we need tools such as text editors. Two text editors that I would like to suggest here are called Atom and Brackets. Atom is easy to use text editor, and I specifically have chosen this one because it has a very interesting plugin which will allow you to send the code right after you finish the coding. So we are going to code an email, and all you need to do to send this code from your text editor as email just to press one button. So it's a very easy feature. The next text editor is called Brackets, and I'm not sure that it has this feature which Atom has, which allows you to send HTML emails directly from the text editor to your inbox. Instead, we are going to work with this in this way. We are going to code an HTML page which is going to turn into HTML email, and then we are going to use email service which is called puts_mail. It allows you to send testing emails. All you need to do is to type recipient, type subject line, paste the code of your HTML email here in this field, and test the email. Now, as for the testing ground, I would like you to have a couple of inboxes in the most popular services. In this case, I have Gmail inbox, I have Yahoo inbox, and I would like you to have some more inboxes just to see how different services and different clients will render your emails in a little bit different way. We are going to be doing a lot of testing. Testing will be like 30, maybe 40% of your job as HTML email developer. So get used to many testing hours. If you look at the name of this account that I have created, you might think that this is quite long and uncomfortable, but if you're trying to type this email on your keyboard, you will see that it is actually very easy and fast to type in. Now, the general idea here is to have the shortest email name possible, but when I was trying to register these testing accounts, shorter names were unavailable, so I picked the one which is easy to type in. this is going to save a lot of your time when you're going to be doing testing on the internet. So the same name I have chosen for my Yahoo account. It's also very easy to type in on your keyboard. Another thing that I would like you to have is personal hosting or Google Drive or any type of free hosting on the internet. In other words, it's a folder or place where you're going to keep your files that are used in the HTML emails. So in this case, I have my personal hosting, and in one of the websites that I have created a folder which is going to contain all the pictures that we will use in this course. If you don't have a personal hosting, you might have a free hosting, or you can use Google Drive, and I will show you how to use files stored on the Google Drive in your emails. Now, one more thing which is about testing your emails. I would like you to have a standalone applications such as Outlook and the BAT and some other applications, along with web-based email services. Like I said before, it's very important for testing, because emails that we are creating, they will have some slightly differences when it comes to rendering. So one email will look a little bit different in the web inbox, in your client inbox, and on different servers too. So once again, as for the knowledge, I want you to have some HTML and CSS knowledge. As for text editors, pick one, the one which you like, although I would suggest one of these two. You are going to have a testing ground, so register one or two accounts on the most popular services and find a free hosting or use your personal hosting.